Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create new Outlook account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, we'll begin by navigating to the Outlook login page. Once you are on the Outlook login page, you'll notice a sign in button. Click on sign in and you'll be taken to the next screen. Here, click on your profile at the top right and then look for an option that says something along the lines of sign in with a different account. Once you find it, click on this option. Afterwards, you'll land on a page that gives you the option to create a new account. You'll see a link that says Create One. By clicking on Create One, you begin the process of registering a new account. As you click through, you'll be taken to the account creation page. Here, you'll need to provide some basic information to set up your new Outlook account. This usually includes entering a new email address that you'd like to use. If the email you choose is already taken, you'll be prompted to select a different one. Next, you'll create a password. It's wise to choose a password that's secure and hard to guess, mixing letters, numbers, and symbols if possible. With your email and password in place, there could be additional fields you need to complete, like providing your full name, country, and birth date. Once all your information is filled out and confirmed, you might be prompted to verify your identity. After completing these steps, you should now be successfully signed into your brand new Outlook account. And that's it. So that is how you can create new Outlook account. So that's all for this video. Thanks.